Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the comp that contains the photo you want to replace. Import the new image into the project panel and check its pixel dimensions. You want it close to the comp size to avoid heavy scaling. Once done, drag the new asset into the timeline above the original layer so you can align it. Make sure snapping and rulers are on to help position quickly. You do this first so the rest of the process stays non-destructive and easy to adjust. Now you match the new image to the original. Select the original layer and copy transform properties, then paste them onto the replacement. That gives exact position, scale, rotation, and anchor point. If the shot moves, you must either parent the image to a tracked null or run a 2D/3D track on the original and link the replacement to the tracking null. Make sure motion blur and frame sampling match, because otherwise the replacement will float. Finish by integrating the image. Use curves, exposure, and hue/saturation to match lighting and color temperature. You want the replacement to read as part of the scene. Add a soft mask or edge feather to blend borders and apply grain or noise to match sensor characteristics. Pre-compose the replacement with adjustments so you can move it as one layer. When rendered, scrub through to check for slippage. If things shift, revisit tracking or parenting. That single fix resolves most misalignment problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.